Building a strong personality involves self-reflection, personal growth and development, and continuous learning. You need to keep learning. It should be a gradual process and should be a continuous thing. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be telling you how to make your personality stronger. Remember, I am still Nneoma Anidebe. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how to make your personality stronger. It's a new year. It's another way to improve. It's another chance of development. It's another chance to learn, to relearn, and to unlearn, alright? Okay, now there are ways to make your personality stronger. In this video, I'll be listing them one after the other. I may not have the time to explain all, but believe you me, they are self-explanatory that you can actually interpret yourself, alright? But make sure you put this in practice because it will really make your year worth it. On this, I am not a relationship coach, but to me, never you go back to the person who cheated on you. Do not go back to the person who cheated on you. It's important to prioritize your own well-being and surround yourself with people that value you, people that love you, people that are ready to accommodate you. Trust is a vital component in relationship, and building the trust afterwards, after betrayal, it can be very challenging. So I suggest that you focus on healing and moving forward. Number 2, do not allow people to disrespect you. Setting boundaries and standing up for yourself remains the best for self-respect. Number 3, do not shake hands sitting down. Like, I feel it's disrespectful. It doesn't make you look professional. So when you want to shake hands with someone, please do me a favor by standing up. Give the person a handshake, look into his or her eye, and shake hands with the person. And then, believe me, communication is better effective that way. Number 4, never eat the last piece of something you never bought. I don't want to go deeper into this. Never go broke to impress others. Believe you me, your financial health is all about you, should be your priority. Do not go doing expenses just because you want to impress others. Do not go living above your means. Cut your cloth according to your cloth. Yes, do not live above your means. Do what you know makes you happy, but make sure you don't go extravagant. Another point on my list, dress well no matter where. No matter where you're going, no matter where you are going, make sure you are properly dressed. You will be addressed the way you are dressed, irrespective of where you are going. Make sure you are clean, simple, and nice. Remember, do not forget to use your color. Do not forget to smell nice. Another on my list is you working on your communication skill. Ooh, this is very, very crucial and very, very vital. Work on your communication skill. Make sure you communicate effectively. Make sure you read books, get materials, try to learn more things that will help you communicate effectively and efficiently. This will make you get better, and this will make you very fluent and eloquent even when communicating with the least expected. Be eager to learn more no matter where you are. Make sure you learn, and do not forget to be grateful. Do not forget to be optimistic. Everything about you should be going towards the positive side. Do not forget to be eager to learn. It should be an intentional act. You know, one thing about us is that we are struggling with intentionality, but whenever you realize that intentionality is the real deal, you should be intentional about every action, everything you do. Once you realize that intentionality is the real deal, you see yourself doing exploits. So be intentional about it. Be eager to learn. Learn. Do not stop learning. Learning is a continuous process, all right? Do not forget to learn. If you are not invited, please do not go. Carry your 2 left legs, go back. Do not go when you are not invited, all right? It could be that there are a set of persons that are invited. You're not wanted. That's just it. You're not invited because you are not wanted. You are not wanted because they don't have you at heart. Probably, I don't know. But please do not go wherever you are not invited. Last on my list, make multiple streams of income. Whew. Multiple streams of income, very, very important. We're in this era whereby one stream of income is not enough. It is not enough. So you make multiple streams of income. If you know what you're doing, what you can do, convert whatever you're doing to talent, convert it to money making. You know that thing that gives you joy. Just make sure you convert it to money. Money. We're in this era where money is talking, money is the real deal, right? Remember, Building a strong personality is really a journey. And to crown it all, remember to be yourself. Do not think of being like someone else. You are you because you and you makes you meaningful. Alright, we'll see some other time. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Alright, bye.